So hi, hello, welcome to my channel guys. So today you are going to learn an attack which will help you to hack the website, login page and many more. So don't miss any part of this video guys because you are going to be confused. So don't miss any part, watch this video till the end. In the last video, we have discussed about the vulnerability, right? So in that video, we have used SQL injection. So if you didn't watch that video, so don't bother about it guys. I will provide link in the description box. So just have a look. So let's start our topic guys. So today's video is most valuable and important. Those who want to become an ethical hacker and also those who want to start the journey in the cybersecurity. And the valuable and important topic is SQL injection attack. Actually, the SQL injection attack is an injection attack where a hacker uses malicious SQL statements to fetch the data from the database. By using this attack, we can easily bypass the authentication web application page. I mean that those pages which ask the login ID and the password to login. So those kind of pages we can easily modify. And not only this kind of stuff guys, we can easily modify the data in the database. I mean you can delete the data and you can modify the data. So those kind of stuff we can do easily by using this attack. So now we will see how a login page works between the existing user and the new user. So you might feel boring, but don't miss this part guys because it is the basic one. At first, we will go with the new user. There is a login page. In the login page, it asks the login ID and the password to login. So it is a new user, right? So he will create a new login ID and the password, and those data will be saved in the database. So this is the process in the new user, right? So now we will see in the existing user, so how it works. So before knowing that, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel guys and add a like button and share this video. So now in the case of existing user, so he's already an existing user, so he's having a login ID and the password, right? So he will just enter it. So after entering it, the data will be checking in the database by using query language. If you don't know about the query language, so don't worry guys. Query language is nothing but it helps to communicate with the database. That's it. If the database is in the SQL database, then the query language will be structured query language. That's it. So let's come to our topic guys. So if the username and the password they are in the database, then it will be login, or not it shows the error, right? So this is the process between the login page between the new user and the existing user. That's it. So you may think, what is the relation between this process and this SQL injection attack? Yeah guys, there is a relation. In the beginning of this video, I have used a sentence, malicious statements used by a hacker to fetch the data from the database, right? I mean that if the existing user have entered the wrong credit details, then the database will give the false in the boolean value. So in that case, hacker uses those malicious SQL statements which gives only the true value from the database. I think you got my point, right? So this is the process of SQL injection guys. And if you face any kind of problem, so don't worry guys, just comment below. I will try to rectify your problems. That's it. So I'm not going much deeper about the SQL injection in this video. I have just covered all the basic parts on the SQL injection attack. And in the next video, I will show you how the attack performs. And I will also provide you the few malicious statements which is used by hackers to bypass the login page and those kind of stuff. So this is the video guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, add a like button and share this video guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. And finally, see you in the next video.